Welcome back to Metals R Us. We got another one. This is how it came. Super awesome tape job. I feel like people do that to make it more secure, but we're looking for some milk spots on the wing and right above purr. Anyway, that's what we got. 2 of them. I'm a sucker for animals. Birds, elephants, yes, no receipt. Super interesting bubble wrap. It's got like a matte finish. Can't say I'm mad about that. Always happy to see them come in a capsule. Oh yeah, that looks like exactly what was in the image, alright. This one's got some discoloring on the top. Yes. I'm happy already. But let's see if they check out. 2014. Alright, got this thing. We are going to do it like this, but just in case, got my phone ready. So these are what? Basically just Canadian bald eagles. I wouldn't call it a maple. Same thing as a maple. I'm sure it'll test the same. It's 4.9's fine. Thank you, Canada. We're going to turn this on. I haven't tested this to see if it works better from right here, but I'm trying different spots all over here. Tear. Get the sucker out of there. Ooh, that feels nice. Put that there. Tear it. Ounce. We need to be an ounce Troy. OZT 1.001. Hopefully you can see it this way though, because that looks way better than that. So weight 1.001 ounce Troy, total weight. Now we're gonna take our coin, put it on the old cheater beater. What should we do? Should we do her face or the eagle? We're gonna put it on her face. Wait, pierce over, hit it. Yep, that is some nice stuff. My Emirates bar tested better than that, and it's way thicker. Dimensions, round. Put her there. We're before the black line, but we are definitely in the green. Yes. We're just gonna flip it. I'm gonna put it right on its chest. Dimensions, round. Same result. Either way, it checks out. It's in the green. I'm happy. It looks pretty nice itself. I will take a couple pictures and link them to the video. Oh, forgot this one out. This one's underweight. Like, I think it's 0.998 tiers. Here's the other one. Same thing. It just has some tarnish above Canada. Canadier. 1.000. Wait. 1 OZT. Total weight. I guess just for entertainment purposes, 50 is 1.608. So this is 50. 1.607. 20 is 0.6430. 0.643. I don't know why I put. Oh, that's just a further. Okay, yeah, that's accurate. But anyway, just to show you my scale's working good here. Got the weight. Put it on her face. Boom. Specific gravity test. Round. This one tested slightly better than that one. It's still before the black line, but definitely in the green. But just for SMGs, we are gonna do the Eagle. Slightly different. Just about the same. Yeah, like that. Yeah, about the same. Either way, I'm happy with it. Definitely 4.9's fine. I appreciate you, Canada, for doing such a good job refining your silver. Yeah, these are the coins I got. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'll leave a link in the description where I got all this stuff. That is it. If you like content like this, I'm sure there's gonna be plenty more like it. I'll see you guys around.